These boys won't ever love, nobody will, if found online. But more to the point, perhaps you, like I, don't want to fall in love, not to risk this. All I want is affection and a feeling of intimacy, a simulation of the real thing, a fantasy rather than the reality, with all of its complexities. Just accept, all this is passing, all of this is beautiful and frightening at once, but just take it as calmly as possible, and like an old man who has seen it all before. This life is just a mote of dust suspended in a moonbeam, as a spark of fire in the everlasting night.